Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem faced by many teachers when trying to share Excel files with their students. The problem lies in finding a way to provide access to the data without compromising the integrity of the original file. In terms of a solution, there is a workaround available for this issue. Once the students open the Excel file using the shared link, they can simply go to File Create Copy to make a duplicate of the sheet. This allows them to have their own editable version of the file without affecting the original. Another convenient method is to click on the Edit Copy button available at the top right corner of the sheet when the document is marked as View Only. This instantly saves a copy to the student's OneDrive for easy editing. To wrap it up, we've explored a practical solution to the problem of sharing Excel files with students in a way that ensures data integrity. By following a few simple steps, like creating a copy of the sheet or utilizing the Edit Copy feature, students can seamlessly work on the data without any hiccups. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech dilemmas you might be facing. Remember, sharing is caring,